Looking for a verified Windows 11 Pro 26H2 ISO download for a clean installation? In this guide, we'll walk you through the top 2 safe methods to get it directly from Microsoft servers, how to flash it using Rufus, and how to bypass hardware bottlenecks effortlessly. The easiest route is through the Windows Insider platform. Navigate to the official Microsoft Windows Insider Preview Downloads page and sign in with your Microsoft account. Scroll down to Select Edition. Choose Build 26300 or higher for the 26H2 architecture, select your language, and hit the 64-bit download button. If you need a specific build, UUP Dump is the ultimate tool. Go to the official UUP Dump website and search for 26300. Select the x64 architecture, choose Windows Pro, and select Download using Area 2 and Convert. Extract the downloaded zip file and run the UUP download .windows.cmd script as an administrator to compile your clean ISO. Once you have your ISO, open Rufus and insert a USB drive with at least 8 GB capacity. Select your ISO, set the partition scheme to GPT and target system to UEFI. Click Start and make sure to check the box to bypass TPM 2.0 and secure boot requirements if your PC is unsupported.